and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create WhatsApp group. To do so, first of all, open your WhatsApp application on your device and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are logged into your account, you will land on this home page. Here at the top right, you'll be able to see three dots icon. Tap on it and from the drop down select new group option. Once after doing that, now you will need to search for or select the contacts you'd like to add to the group. Once after selecting the contacts, now tap on the green arrow icon at the bottom right. After that, here you will need to name your group. Tap on this field and enter a group name. Once after giving the name, this name will be visible to all the members of your group. You can also add a group icon by tapping on the camera icon to take a photo or upload one, or even choose an emoji. Once after doing that, tap on the green check mark and then you will see you have successfully created group on WhatsApp. You will be able to create groups up to 1024 members and the group subject can be up to 100 characters long. As an admin, you can manage group setting, including adding or removing participants and also changing group information later. So by following these steps, you should be able to create WhatsApp group. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.